welcome back to another video. Today we are doing column addition, which is a very simple method for adding up numbers. And I will be showing you how to do this with the calculation 342 add 983. So first of all you need to lay it out, because trying to solve it as just one could be quite difficult. So to do that we write it in columns as the name suggests. So we'll write 342 and 983. As this is addition, it doesn't matter which number is on the top and which number is on the bottom, and you can do this with more than 3 numbers. So if you were trying to add 3 numbers together, that would also work perfectly fine. You just add another one to the column. Okay, so now we're all set up and ready to go. Let's solve this. So we work from right to left, starting with the smallest numbers, which in this case is our units column. So we start by adding up the numbers in our units column, which in this case is 2 and 3. So 2 add 3 is 5. That's nice and simple, so we just write it in the gap below that column. Next column along, 4 and 8. We know that 4 and 8 is 12. 12, however, is more than one digit, so it won't fit in this section here. Therefore, we need to carry the 10 part of the 12 across. So we still write the 12, but we write the first part of it underneath. 1 and 2, 12. Now we have our next column, 3 and 9. That together, we know makes 12. However, we also have this 1 underneath that we have from last time, and we still need to factor that in. So overall, this becomes 13 in this column. So again, we write it the same way. The 10 going along to the next column, writing the 3 in that to be 13, much like we did with the 12. So then next column, again, we can rub that out now because it's not really needed. That was just to show that we were adding. So we can extend this, because we've had to extend our calculation because it's gone beyond the 3 columns. You won't always need to do this, but for this one you do. So we need to add up this column. So this one's nice and simple, nothing up above, just 1 below, 1. So our answer is quite simply whatever we have in the middle here. So our answer is 1,325. So as you can see, that is a really simple method for working out basic addition. You can do it with any amount of numbers, you can do it with decimals, you can really do it with anything.